Today, we dive into a direct comparison between Spaceship Invest Universe and Origin, two of the leading investment platforms for anyone looking to grow their portfolio efficiently. Spaceship Invest Universe offers a diverse selection of pre-built portfolios that span global markets, including technology, healthcare, and emerging companies. It focuses on high-growth potential companies while maintaining a balance with established giants, giving investors exposure to both stability and innovation. Users can invest as little as $5, making it accessible for beginners and those who prefer incremental investment strategies. The platform provides automated portfolio management, adjusting allocations based on market trends, which reduces the need for constant monitoring and allows investors to benefit from compound growth over time. Origin, on the other hand, focuses on a more hands-on approach, giving investors the ability to customize their portfolios extensively. It provides detailed analytics, real-time market data, and insights into individual stocks and funds. While the minimum investment is higher, starting at $50, Origin appeals to investors who want more control and the ability to tailor investments to their personal strategy. Origin's interface is designed for those who prefer an in-depth view of performance metrics, risk assessments, and market forecasts, making it ideal for users who are comfortable making more active investment decisions. Comparing the two, Spaceship Invest Universe excels in simplicity, low entry costs, and automated diversification, allowing consistent growth with minimal effort. Origin delivers flexibility, advanced analytics, and full control over investment decisions, catering to those who want a more active role in portfolio management. Both platforms provide secure investment environments, but the choice ultimately depends on your approach: passive and automated growth or active and customizable investing. For investors looking to start small and grow steadily, Spaceship Invest Universe offers unmatched accessibility. For those who want deeper engagement and strategic control over each investment, Origin stands out. The decision comes down to investment style, risk tolerance, and the level of involvement you prefer in managing your portfolio.